Buongiorno. This is lovely Juilliard Park Community Garden in Santa Rosa. Really beautiful. I spent part of my youth here, and I remember performing in a little play here during summer months. It's really lovely. Even though this is my Italy Reno channel, when I'm in California, I take little videos of different places in nature that appeal to me. And this is one of them. Really lovely. There are all kinds of redwoods and different trees here. It's really pretty. It's a whole city block. Very lovely. Okay. So, buongiorno. Have a good day, everybody.